To track Rocket Money transaction tracking. Start by understanding what Rocket Money is. Rocket Money is a personal finance management tool that helps users track their expenses and stay on top of their financial transactions. First, you need to link your bank accounts and credit cards to Rocket Money. This allows the platform to access your transaction data and provide a comprehensive view of your financial activity. Once your accounts are linked, Rocket Money will begin tracking your transactions. You can view these transactions in the Rocket Money dashboard, where they will be categorized and totaled. To track a specific transaction, navigate to the transaction page and click on the transaction you want to view. Here, you will see detailed information about the transaction, including the date, amount, and category. You can also use Rocket Money's search function to find specific transactions. Simply type in the name of the merchant or a keyword related to the transaction, and Rocket Money will display all relevant transactions. In addition to tracking individual transactions, Rocket Money also provides tools for tracking your overall spending and staying within your budget. You can set budget goals and receive alerts when you go over budget, helping you stay on track with your financial goals. To get the most out of Rocket Money's transaction tracking features, make sure to regularly review your transactions and update your account information as needed. This will ensure that your transaction data is accurate and up to date, and that you can make informed decisions about your finances. By following these steps and using Rocket Money's transaction tracking features, you can gain a better understanding of your financial activity and make progress towards your financial goals. Remember to stay on top of your transactions and adjust your budget as needed to achieve financial stability and success.